Ikaw ang sistema. Have you ever tried to build a system pero habang ginagawa mo ito, parang hindi mo ma-explain? May business owner akong nakausap na si Rose. She runs a landscaping business. Siya ang kausap ng clients, siya ang nagsiset ng expectations, siya ang nag-aayos kapag may problema at sa totoo lang, magaling siya. Very hands-on, very detailed. Alam niya kung paano i-handle kahit na mahirap ang client. And over time, she became very good at it. Too good nga. Dumating sa point na lahat dumadaan sa kanya. Maliit na desisyon, malaking desisyon, even things na dapat kaya na ng team. Kaya one day, she told herself, kailangan ko na talagang gumawa ng system. So, umupo siya at inumpisahan niya yung pagsusulat. Akala niya madali. Kasi, ginagawa naman niya ito araw-araw, di ba? Pero habang sinusulat niya, napansin niya na nahihirapan siya. Hindi niya maayos i-explain. Not because she did not know what to do, but because everything depended on how she thinks. Yung judgments niya, yung decision niya, her instincts sa bawat situation. Hindi siya malinaw na proseso. Hindi siya step by step. Hindi siya transferable. At doon siya natahimik. Kasi ang meron siya, hindi system. Sarili niya. So let me ask you, if someone replaces you today, can they follow a clear process? Or do they need to become you first? Anak, eto ang lesson. Kapag ang negosyo mo ay nagwo-work lang dahil sa'yo, then you don't have a system. You have dependency. And dependency cannot scale. Kaya, let's be business-minded, Pinoy. May team ka na, pero ikaw pa rin ang kailangan sa lahat. Anak, hindi yan team. That's just a group of people waiting for your next instruction. Team na Marunong is a 90-day guided program designed for business owners like you who already have a team pero gusto ng may structure, accountability at consistency na hindi ka na laging kailangan pumasok sa picture. Week by week, you will build a team that is stable, proactive, at saka self-driven. Kahit wala ka sa tabi nila, hindi mo kailangan ng bagong team. Kailangan mo lang ng tamang sistema para sa team na meron ka na. Enroll now, anak ha! The link is in the comment section.